Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm David Driscoll with Body and Brain, and let's take a moment to do some breathing exercise for stress relief. So this is going to be a very simple practice. We're going to focus on a couple things. First, we're going to focus on posture. Second, we're going to focus on relaxing the chest with breathing. And third, we're going to focus on deepening the breath and feeling something in the abdomen. Okay, so first, good posture. You want to sit up tall, kind of wiggle left and right. Feel your sit bones. So if you're in a soft chair, you're going to have to really push those sit bones down, almost arch your lower back a little so you're up nice and tall. You're going to press those sit bones down and at the same time push the top of your head up. And then wiggle left and right so that both sides of your spine are active, both shoulders are feeling some upward pressure. Chest is open, shoulder blades coming back. Neck, you want to make your neck nice and relaxed, nice and loose, head up, and then chin slightly tucked. In the beginning, the most important thing with breathing is don't try to do something really extreme. Don't try to go all the way to like a long, deep breath. Just do comfortable breathing. That's actually the best thing for your nervous system. Now, sitting nice and tall, breathe in through your nose. Breathe out, open your mouth. And I want you to focus on the center of your chest. Breathe in. And breathe out. So intentionally make your chest expand and contract a little. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's add in a little shoulder movement. Breathe in, shoulders rise up. Breathe out, shoulders drop slowly. Breathe in, shoulders rise up. And breathe out, shoulders drop. So you're kind of accentuating the breathing motion. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Shall we add one more? How about your arms? Opening the arms, so expanding the rib cage. A little bit like you are opening some wings, okay? Breathe in through your nose, open. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nothing complicated. Focus on the feeling. The rib cage opening. The muscles stretching gently. Even the sensation in your hands and fingers. Just by focusing on your breathing, you may notice that the chest feels a little bit lighter. Sometimes you even feel a little tingling, kind of a release of that heaviness. Now, I really want to focus on the upper abdomen, the stomach area. It can be a little difficult to relax this area, especially if this is new to you. So put one hand on your upper abdomen, solar plexus. The other hand can rest on your knees. Straighten the spine again so that you open up the stomach. You want to feel your stomach slightly stretched out. You can keep the chin tucked, but spine tall. Breathe in. Feel the chest and the stomach expand. Breathe out. Feel it relax. You may notice some warmth there. See if you can relax your stomach more than usual. I'm still exhaling through the mouth. Now let's make the exhale a little longer than the inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, even if you don't notice a lot of changes, you may not notice yourself relaxing right away. That's okay. Just give it time. It's not something that we can control consciously. Give yourself time to breathe. Set a timer. Just watch this video. Don't give up. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. You can do the same thing. Move the hand down to your lower abdomen, belly button or below. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel that area below your belly button moving. Inhale 4 or 5 seconds. Exhale 6 to 8 seconds if you can. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We can keep going. Just keep going. Follow me. Breathe. Now, if you're really comfortable, try closing the mouth. Just breathe in and out through your nose. If you feel any kind of tension in the chest, open your mouth again, breathe out, feel more comfortable. Then go back to breathing through the nose. Just surrender to the time it takes to breathe and relax. It's worth it. We spend so much time on the phone, or working, or worrying about other things. Give yourself 5 or 10 concentrated minutes just on breathing. All right, nice job. Massage, sweep those arms, loosen up any stiffness. Notice the way you feel. Do you feel different? You should be able to notice a subtle change in temperature, a subtle change in the way that your eyes are working, the way that your brain is working. All those things you need to notice, because that is going to teach you what you're looking for in order to relax. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you feel more relaxed. Let's practice every day. I'm David Driscoll with Body and Brain. Until next time, be well.